Welcome to this explainer. So today, we're absolutely demystifying a really fascinating process, and that is building your very own digital assembly line. I mean, just imagine this for a second, typing a single sentence into a web form, walking away, and having a fully produced, highly engaging short-form piece of content automatically published to your YouTube channel. No editing, no rendering, literally none of that. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, so let's dive right in and build this automated system from the ground up. Here's our roadmap for the factory floor today. First, we'll talk about the automated dream. Second, the brain. Third, the video. Fourth, the upload. And finally, number 5, we're going to break down the cost. All right, let's kick things off with section 1, the automated YouTube dream, taking it from just a simple idea to going viral. Now, at the very core of this dream is something called an AI agent. And hey, please don't let the tech jargon intimidate you here. Think of an AI agent simply as a tireless, incredibly dedicated digital assistant. You give it your exact instructions just one time, and it flawlessly executes a sequence of connected tasks over and over again entirely on its own. It's doing the heavy lifting while you sleep, while you work, or, while you just sit back and watch Netflix. This is a massive, real game changer in how content is made. Think about the old manual way of making a YouTube short. It is just exhausting. You're scripting, editing, waiting forever for things to render. But with our automated AI agent method, your only job, literally your only job, is providing that initial creative spark into a web form. The agent handles the whole shebang from there. Moving right along to section 2, setting up the brain. This is where we turn those simple ideas into highly detailed instructions.
It is super easy to get kind of lost in the weeds when you're looking at automation software, especially if you're a beginner. So just keep this simple 4-step architecture in mind. Step 1, you submit the idea. Step 2, an AI expands it into a prompt. Step 3, the AI generates the video. And Step 4, it auto-posts to YouTube. As long as you keep coming back to these 4 basic steps, you absolutely won't get overwhelmed.
So the whole workflow kicks off with a simple form trigger. You can think of it like a digital inbox. You just type in a wild one-sentence concept. For example, the creator from our source material used this awesome prompt. An underwater diver finds a 5-legged creature on the Titanic. And honestly, that's it. That one sentence is all you need to start up the entire machine. From there, that single sentence gets passed straight over to OpenAI, which is basically acting as our expert film director. It takes your basic idea and beefs it up into a rich, comprehensive prompt that's anywhere from 500 to 2,000 characters long. We actually program this brain to always include very specific stylistic choices. We're talking action scene vibes, camera shake, zoom, cinematic lighting, and specific color palettes. Oh, and we also give it really strict content rules so it doesn't accidentally generate policy violations that would break our automated loop. Now, while the brain is busy writing that video prompt, it's actually multitasking. It's also generating a highly optimized YouTube title based on your original idea. We specifically command the AI to keep this title under 99 characters. You might be wondering, why 99? Well, YouTube has a strict 100-character limit, and we want to make absolutely sure there's plenty of room at the end for automatically generated viral hashtags like #shorts and #viral to fit perfectly. All right, let's jump into section 3, generating the video. This is the digital muscle behind all those visuals. To actually create the footage, our digital messenger talks to an API service called Key AI. We specifically request the Sora 2 text-to-video engine for this. We tell it to generate exactly 10 seconds of high-quality footage based on that rich prompt we just made. And, this is crucial for a professional look, we set the remove watermark command to true. 10 seconds is pretty much the absolute sweet spot for holding a viewer's attention on a short-form platform. Now here is a massive trick that's going to save you so much frustration: the wait timer. You see, when you ask an AI to generate a video, it doesn't just happen instantly. It takes about 150 seconds to fully render. If your agent tries to grab that video at 0 seconds, the whole system just crashes. So we intentionally program a digital waiting room, a strict 200-second pause. Think of it like letting the AI take a brief little coffee break to finish cooking the video before the system tries to pick it up. That brings us to section 4, automating the upload, shipping the product direct to your audience. To do all of this completely hands-free, we connect our automation to a tool called Bytato, which essentially acts as our ultimate auto poster. The workflow grabs the raw video data,
uploads the media directly to Baitato servers, formats it as a YouTube post, and then seamlessly attaches that catchy 99-character title and URL that we generated earlier.
But wait, this next part is absolutely critical for surviving on modern social media: transparency. You absolutely must configure your auto poster to tag the content as synthetic media or altered content. YouTube really appreciates honesty here. If you tell the platform right up front that you're using AI, your videos are going to run smoothly. But if you try to hide it, no way. You risk a ban that could literally destroy this entire factory you just built.
Okay, finally, Section 5, the cost of automation. Let's talk about investing in your new digital assembly line.
Get ready, because this is an absolute shocker of a number. Generating a stunning, high-quality 10-second Sora 2 video using this exact method, it costs roughly 15 cents in US dollars, or about 13 Indian rupees. Seriously, that's it. For literally just a few pennies, you are getting a fully unique, potentially viral piece of content generated entirely from scratch. The creator from our source materials shares a fantastic mindset for approaching this. Treat it just like a basic monthly business investment, kind of like an SIP, a systematic investment plan. Just set aside a tiny budget, maybe $5 to $10 every month, specifically for your API costs. Consistently feeding this machine gives you compounding digital assets. I mean, even if just 1 out of 50 videos goes viral, the return on that tiny investment is astronomical. However, and this is a big however, it's super vital to protect your budget from automated mistakes. You'll want to set a daily credit limit, say a max of 200 credits, just so a broken loop doesn't drain your bank account overnight. And hey, expect initial failures while testing. Actually, scratch that, plan for them, because that is completely normal for beginners. Just rely on those wait timers and use simple replace commands in your tool to clean up any raw text code before it gets sent to the video generator. Having these little fail-safes is exactly what keeps your factory running smoothly.
So there you have it. You now understand the basic blueprint of an automated AI YouTube agent. Going from a simple web format to a published viral video, you've seen firsthand just how accessible and incredibly affordable this tech actually is. Your digital factory is fully built and standing by. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Now that you have this immense, literal creative superpower at your fingertips, what wildly creative idea are you going to feed the machine first?